Hello everyone, my name is Molly. I'm from Taiwan. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Violet from Korea.
Okay. Oh, I have a pencil box. I have a pencil box.
I have mobile phone.
Oh.
I have mobile phone.
Okay. This is my pen, and now I write here. Do you hear? I write here. It's my pen.
Oh yeah, I hear.
Yeah.
네. Can you shake your pencil box?
Shake my pencil box. Sure. You listen. It's my pencil box. And my pen, I can write. My English is very so. I can write.
Oh.
Yeah. I can. You can trust me. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Sure.
I think you use your finger.
Yeah. You can use your item for me. Use your shake for me.
Shake? I shake.
Oh, you shake.
Yeah, but I can't make sound.
You shake.
Yeah, but I'm shaking
Oh.
my mobile phone.
Oh, you are lying, right?
No, because it is mobile phone. You can't hear not any sound. Okay.
Oh, okay.
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 Can you tap on your pencil box?
Okay. It's my pencil box.
Oh.
Yes, it's right because my pencil box is plastic.
Oh.
Yeah. So you hear this? You hear it's normal. It's very normal. Yeah. And you touch your. You lie to me, but you can touch your item.
Okay.
Oh, so small.
No,
Small.
this is a mobile phone, so the
Okay.
surface is hard, so the
Okay.
surface make this sound.
I feel you lie.
I feel Molly is liar.
I feel it's can I sound again? Then shake, touch again. Still it's a button. It's a button.
Bottle?
Yeah,
Okay.
button. Yeah.
I think it's plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
Yeah. Button, no button, but it's gas.
Hello everyone, I'm Kenny. Yeah.
Hello, my name is D. I have two big items. It looks like chocolate.
Okay. I have a red apple. Maybe is can eat. Maybe.
Red apple and you can eat. Can
yeah.
you eat?
Maybe can eat.
Oh,
Yeah.
how big is this?
How
Is it?
big is a medium?
Medium.
Medium. This small to medium. Yeah.
To medium. Okay.
And is your thing can eat?
Oh, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Okay.
It's spicy chocolate.
Spicy chocolate. Okay, this not chocolate. I guess it's not chocolate. Yeah, and it's your turn. And you
My
can.
turn.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, when did you eat it last time?
In my last time, maybe last week. Last week I stay in the restaurant. Yeah, I eat.
Will you
Yeah.
see it
Yes.
at restaurant?
Yeah, last week. I last. Yeah. And
Can you hit it on the table?
no, it's my turn.
Ah.
So you can knock the thing on table.
Huh?
You knock the thing on table. You knock.
No.
Yeah, you knock. Okay, this nice chocolate. Okay, I guess.
Can you tap it on the table?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me think how to ask. Is so he's not full, right?
Not full.
Yeah, you are not, your thing is not full, right?
The sink is not full. My sink?
Yeah, your thing is not full,
Not full.
not full.
Yes.
Yes, not full. True or false? Your thing is not full.
Yes.
True or false?
Mhm.
You're not full.
Is it square or round?
Straight or wrong? Maybe you can see wrong the thing. Yeah.
I can't see.
You want to guess
I can't.
what type is of mine? How many times? I don't know what's in. I don't know what's the house. I don't know. I really don't know. He is lying. He is lying.
Also, he's lying. Maybe I think his item is made of rubber.
Oh no! Oh no! Buy chocolate?
Buy chocolate.
No, not apple, not apple.